Sure, you not get wetin you wan tell me for this life. Good name, e better pass riches.
Good name better pass riches.
Yes.
Oh, my mother, you win a fee. See, now this talk and then make hungry your side, you won't just finish your life so. Yes, this motivation why they motivate yourself say good name is better than riches. Now make us won't just wipe your neck come up for this life.
Very stupid.
See, man tell you something. Where Ugele king, as he get good name, so where Ugele king go fit enter. Your Davido fit enter that place.
See this one. Okay, the content say Ugele king not get money. Okay, you feel say Ugele king not get money. See all this motivation of a mama that you win of say, not deceive yourself. Oh, now this is why we say my papa talk say good name is better than riches. When my papa die broke now like this now, nobody know my papa name. I be give you one portable. Go enter say they not know portable.
Okay. Wait, is all about you. And they make a guy you here.